Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after the news yesterday, we got to see a dip on the chart of DXY, as a result of which we saw gold, Euro, USD, GBP, all flying. Okay, right now DXY is standing around 103.61. This is the current market price here, but overall the trend of DXY is still the same. We discussed yesterday also that the news was not big, so there would not be any change in the structure of the market, and we can still see that the trend of the market is still the same, because for a trend reversal we need a big news. We need a big fundamental factor like NFP, CPF. NFP market is mostly waiting for NFP that is coming on Friday, so let's wait and watch. But today also, my dear friend, we have a news, ADP non-firm employment change. So yes, market will be volatile again. Beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, try to close down your positions, all US dollar positions before the news, because market will be volatile. Your stop loss may not work because of volatility. Do not gamble. We are traders, not gamblers, so keep in mind. So what to do with DXY today then? So right now we can see that DXY is trying to take support around the previous low here, and market is trying to bounce. Overall, the market is still bullish and we cannot deny it. Okay, but one thing that I noticed yesterday is that market failed to form a higher high here. Market has formed a lower high here. So the next high of DXY will be very important, because if DXY forms another lower high here and starts going down, then it will be a sign of indication of a trend reversal. But as of now, we can see the DXY is trying to recover. So for the day, for the Asian session and European session, you should plan your trades accordingly. In case market forms a red candle also, you can expect the next support to be around 103.20 to 103. This should be the next support on the chart of DXY. If you're wondering about resistance, forget about resistance. Keep your eyes on the present candles only, because the next high of DXY will be very important. And gold lovers, obviously you should have a good understanding, knowledge of the levels on the US government chart also. There was a drop on the US government bonds yesterday, because of which we got to see that massive green candle on the chart of gold. Right now you can see that after the formation of this red candle, market has formed three small candles. Market is in indecision right now, but the most important thing that you need to focus here is that, okay, if we draw the Fibonacci here, we can see that market has taken support at the Fibo 23.6% retracement level, the US government bonds. So yes, market is getting support around this level here. So there is a chance that market will be trying to go up from here. Here also we can see that US government bond is also forming lower highs, okay, which is also a significant thing to observe here. But right now, government bond is also standing at the support right now. So let's wait and watch. And finally, we are at the chart of gold. So let's discuss the levels one by one. Just like the chart of US government bonds, on the chart of gold also we can see that after the formation of the massive candle here, market is in indecision right now. Market is taking risk, and it is natural with all the markets, because market always move from high volatility to lower volatility, and lower volatility to higher volatility. So market was extremely volatile, so market is taking rest right now. But yes, market will be gaining momentum again. So gold lovers, okay, you need to watch out. The most important level for the day, at least before ADP non-firm payroll, is 1925, 1926. 1925, 1926 seems to be the most important support on the gold right now, in absence of the news or before the news, because you can see here when I'm drawing Fibo from here, you can see at 1925-26 level, we have the Fibo 23.6% retracement level. And the best part is the previous resistance will also be acting as support here. And we also have the 50 moving average coming up. So if we combine all the three factors here, Fibonacci, price action, dynamic support, all the factors are pointing towards 1925 to be the presence of good buyers around the area. But if I simply consider, okay, if I simply consider Fibonacci from this particular portion of the chart also, you can see that 1930 will be the first level. 1930 will be the FIBO 23.6%, but FIBO 38.2 is still present around the 1925 level. So 1925, okay, has something special. So I think that during the day, especially during the European session, if market comes for retracement also, 1925 will be acting as a good support. If the volatility of the market remains normal, okay, we can expect market to bounce. If market bounces according to expectation from 1925-26 level, we can definitely hit the buy button. But the problem is that market is sleeping right now. First of all, yesterday market was extremely volatile. News is coming in the US session. Okay, so yes, there is a possibility the market may not come to 1925 also because of low volatility. In that case, okay, in that case, you can also observe the market around 1930 as well. Why 1930? Because you can see that at 1930 we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level. This is a minor level, so if you see the market is coming down with small candles, then only you can look for a buy position. But if you see the market is coming down with candles like this, then obviously this level may not work. Never forget that all the levels in the market do not have the equal amount of strength. Some are weak, some are medium, some are strong. So 1930 is a weak level that will work if the volatility of the market is low. So having a knowledge of the volatility of the market is very crucial for any trader. So ADP is more or less an important event. So as a result, I will be only giving you two levels right now, 1925 and 1930 before the news only. After news, market may be very volatile, market may be trending. So try to follow the trend of the market instead of standing against the trend. Okay, because one thing you need to understand very well that we are retail traders. We do not drive the market. So as a result, following the trend of the market is very important. And before I proceed, I would like to mention that probably you guys already know it, that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop and followed by 1 month support. The link is in the description. My dear friends, feel free to check them out. If you really like my work, if you really want to take your trading to the next level, then definitely you can join. As I said, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. But my dear friends, I would like to mention that this workshop is not for complete beginners. It has been designed only for traders who have been struggling with the market for months, years, unable to make money. So the workshop is part of the Pro Trader program, and these are the benefits you will be getting once you join the workshop. Okay, if you can join now also, you'll be getting all the benefits till the workshop free of cost, and after the workshop you will be getting the 1 month support again. Okay, so you can join now also, nothing to worry. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And you can see here there is a questionnaire so that you can know whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. Everything is mentioned here. These are the topics that we'll be dealing in the workshop, and these are the 4 topics that we'll be dealing in our weekly sessions. So yes, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support, and every week we will be having a weekly session. Clear? And these are the dates. You can see 6, 7, 8 Hindi classes and 11, 12, 13 for the English classes. You can join now also. As I said, okay, you don't need to worry. Okay, you'll be getting free benefits now till the workshop. And classes are conducted via Google Meet. Okay, after the payment, okay, you can just send a screenshot to this number so that I can add you to the group immediately. The best part, yes, the best part is the fees. You can see here, okay, the 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support is only $15, 1,000 rupees. These are the benefits that you will be getting. Okay, and there are many traders, okay, who want a longer relationship, because trading is a journey. Okay, there is no shortcut in the market. It may take months, it may take years. So there are many traders, okay, who also look for personal sessions. For them also I have very affordable programs. You can see here, semi-annual program 3 days workshop with 6 months support is only $65, and you will also be getting 2 personal sessions with me to clear your doubts, ask questions, and for lifetime support. If you like my work, okay, if you stay connected with me, then you can go for lifetime support, which is the most affordable thing here. It's only $125, and you also get 6 personal sessions with me to learn, to trade, to clear your doubts, everything. Okay, so these are the payment options. Hopefully you will like it. Now let's get back to gold here. So these are the 2 important levels for the day here, and one thing I would like to mention here, okay, that as you can see that market has formed a green candle and it resembles a flag pattern. Okay, what it resembles a flag pattern. So if market breaks 1939 also, okay, if market breaks 1939 or 1940, then we can expect that market will march toward head towards 1945 level. So during the day, if you see the market is getting bullish again, okay, then you can expect that market will be heading towards 1945 level. Why? We can because if we draw Fibo from the top to bottom here, you can see Fibo market is right now standing at the Fibo 38.2% retracement level, and market will head towards Fibo 50% retracement level. So the next resistance on the chart of gold before the news is around 1945 to 1948. So if market breaks 1939 1940 level, and if market looks bullish with proper risk management, you can go for a buy. Yes, with proper risk management, because there can be a danger of false breakout also. So go for a buy above it, and you can look for a trade of 50 to 60 pips, not 40 pips. Okay, and around 1945-48 level, we have the next set of sellers present around the area. If market reverses, if you see market struggling around the area, scalpers, you can look for a quick sell position as well. But keep in mind, try to follow the trend of the market after the news, because as a trader it is very important to know when to follow the technicals, when to follow Avilash, and when to follow the fundamentals. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble. Bye bye, take care.